All right, guys, here we have a Sommer direct drive garage door opener. Tells you here it's made in Germany. I don't see a lot of these units, but whenever I do, they're always interesting. This one has a bird's nest on top, so I gotta reprogram it for the force settings to get it to operate. All right, has a little lid in here for your wires, your sensor wires, and your opener. So we'll touch that if we need to. For now, let's go ahead and start. All right, first thing we're gonna do to reset this is there's a reset button right here. Hold it down. We're gonna hold it for a couple seconds so you see that flashing right there in the status. All right, it made a clicking sound after a couple seconds and it starts flashing. Now we can press the wall button. We're gonna cycle it 2 full times. So there it is, I pressed it the first time. We go down. These things do operate very slow. It's gonna go all the way down, and once it does, we will, all right, we're gonna press it back again to open it. All right, so it's still flashing. Now we're gonna go down again. All right, light is solid, you're done.